Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next component from the spark plug, and this will be the insulator. This is how it's going to look. And let's start. First we'll have to open a new SolidWorks document, select here part. And now let's make this plane white and select front plane and open a sketch. And here we'll make the next sketch. Select line and let's make a sketch just like this. And then we'll go back to this point. Nice, and now let's select Smart Dimension to define this sketch. First, this line here will have 3.52. Okay, the angle between these two will be 120 degrees. This line here will have 2.3. And now this line right here will have 22.5. Okay, and the angle between these two here will be 135. It will be 4.5. And now we'll have to give an angle between these two. And here will be, the angle will be just like this, and it will be 23.89. And now this line here will have 14. And the angle between these two lines here will be, okay, never mind. So I think it's because of this. This should not be here parallel, so delete it if you have it. And now let's change the angle here, will be 120 degrees. Okay, this line right here will have 2.25. And now let's see, this one here will have 7. And now from this line to this one, it will be 6.05. Nice, and now the last dimension will be this one, and it will be 7.55. Now go to features, use revolve with boss base command, and here we'll have to select this line and press your OK. Nice, now let's open another sketch in the front plane. And let's make the next sketch. Select line, and we'll start from this edge. And we'll go just like this. And then go back to this point. Okay, and now it's Smart Dimension. Let's define this sketch. This line here will have 2.25. And now the angle here should be 150 degrees. And let's see. This line right here will have 1.1. And now this other line will have 33.5. Okay, now select corner rectangle and let's make here a rectangle. With smart dimension, let's give some dimensions. This line here will have 1. The other one will have 1.5. And now let's give another dimension from this line to this one. Here will be 4.85. Okay, and now from this edge to this line, here will be 1.7. And now we should make 3 more of this. So go to linear pattern, go to sketch, go to linear pattern, linear sketch pattern, and then here we'll select the x-axis. Here we'll make 4. Okay, now entities to pattern, select this, and the distance should be, let's see, 3, should be 3 millimeters. Press OK, and now let's give a dimension between them, should be 1.5. And now go to features, use revolved cut, and here we'll select this line as axis of revolution, and now press OK. Alright, and now let's select fillet. The first radius will be 12 millimeters, and it will be this edge. Press OK. And now select chamfer, and we'll have to make 2 chamfers with the dimension 0.35, the angle 45, and it will be this edge with this one. Press OK. And now we'll have to make another fillet. This time the radius will be 1.5. And we'll have to select 6 edges. It will be this one, also this one, and this one with this one. So we have 4 of them, and then it will be this one with this one. For these 2 and these 2, you can select the faces. You can select this face with this face, and it will be faster. Now press OK. Alright, and now we'll have to make one more fillet. So select fillet. This time the radius will be 0.35. And here we'll have to select 18 edges. Okay, so we'll start by selecting this face with this one, with this one, this one, this one, this one, all of this, then select this one and this edge, this one, the small one, and then this one from here. Now if we count them, they should be 18. Now I think this should be all of them. Press OK. And this should be all the fillets we need. And this was the tutorial for today. This is the insulator from the spark plug. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.